Hello everyone! In this video, I wanted to show you how I made this cute version of Freddy from the game Five Nights at Freddy's. For the materials in this video, I'm using Sculpey polymer clay and all of these different kinds of tools, which I'll leave in the description down below. So the first thing I'm doing is taking this light brown clay, which I'm using to make the head and the body, and I'm just making a small ball which is going to be used for his head. Next, I'm taking the exact same color and making a little teardrop shape almost for his body, which we're going to attach right onto that head we just made. And this is what it looks like so far. Next, I'm taking some black clay and flattening it down into an oval for the bottom of his top hat. And here I am just putting that right on the top of his head. Next, I'm taking more of that black clay and making the top of his top hat. It's like a little cylinder almost. And then I'll go ahead and just put it right on the top of that part we put on last time. So now I'm taking an eye pin to make mine into a charm, and I'm just sticking it right in the top. This is totally optional. So next I'm taking some of that same brown that we used for the head and the body to make two little balls that we're going to use for his ears. I added some lighter brown to the middle to give them that like teddy bear effect. So next I'm using my dot tool to make some indents for where his eyes are going to go, and then I'm taking some of that same black clay to make into two small balls and a nose for his face. So next I'm going to be doing his mouth, and for this I'm taking more of that same black clay and rolling it out into a really thin snake of clay, and then just cutting it and making his face like this. I honestly feel like this is one of the hardest parts because it always takes me multiple tries. And next I'm taking some lighter brown clay and rolling it into a ball just like this for his stomach to give him that little lighter area. So next we're going to be making his bow tie, which I'm taking more black clay and rolling it into a little ball and then making that into a teardrop. You're going to need two of those because, yeah, like that to make the bow, and then one little piece for the middle. And then I'm going back and adding some lines just to give it a little bit of texture for like the folds of the fabric. Here's how it turned out, and then I'm putting that right on his stomach. And then I'm taking some of that same brown that we used the first time for his head and his body and making four little balls for his two arms and his two legs. And this is how he turned out. I think it's super cute. So next I'm going to be taking some of my Sculpey Glaze and just giving him a coat of that to make him extra shiny after he's been baked in the oven. And this is how he turned out after the glaze was dried. I think it's super cute. And I hope you guys like this tutorial too. If you did, be sure to like and subscribe so you can see my future videos. I will be making the rest of the animatronics from this game in a similar style. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed. Bye guys!